Okay, hello, Tian.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, what are you doing?
Learn English.
While learning English. Okay, sir, how is your day?
Good.
Good. Okay, that is a well answer. Good. Okay, so let's start our class, Tian. Can you please read this one?
He paid with the phone.
Okay. He pays with the phone. Okay, you know what is pay? Pay is
No.
to give money to buy something. When you want to buy something, you pay with money. Pay, you give money if you want to buy something. That is pay. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so he pays with the phone. Okay, so usually we pay with cash, right? You know what is cash?
No.
Oh no. Okay, this is cash. Okay, cash in Germany. Okay, so this is the cash. Cash is the paper money. Okay, this is the cash in Germany, right?
Yes.
Okay, so some pay with, okay, some pay with cash. They pay with cash. And now, this one, we are going to talk about pay with the phone. Do you have a phone?
No.
No, no, you don't have a phone?
No.
Oh, okay. So now, let's have this one, Tian. Can you please read?
What does the do at the market?
Okay. Now, what does he do at the market? Okay, let's read this one.
He tries a small
He.
piece of cake.
Okay. So, which picture shows that he tries a small piece of cake?
Mm,
Which one? Can you circle it, Yan? Okay, very good. That is the picture that shows he tries a small piece of cake. Okay, very good, Yan. Now this one, what does he do at the market? Let's read.
mm, he
Okay,
sees some cake market.
okay. He sees some cakes at the market. Okay. A market is a place where you can buy many foods. Okay. Market, it is a place where you can buy many foods. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, so again, what is market? Market.
Um,
Oh, okay. What is market, Tian?
Um,
Hello. What is market? Market
I
is
don't know.
okay. Teacher Kai will repeat. Market. It is a place where you can buy many foods. Okay. Market. It's a place where you can buy foods. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, so again, what is market?
A place can buy many food.
Okay, very good. You can buy many foods. Now this one, Tian, what does he sees in the market? He see.
Um, Market.
Okay, very good. Now this one, what does he do at the market?
Um, he
Tries.
piece of cake.
Okay, so he tries. So he tastes a small piece of cake. He tries. Okay, Tian, again, he
Okay.
tries.
He tried a piece of cake.
Okay, very good. Now, in this one, what does he do at the market?
He asked about the price.
Okay, he asked. Okay, so he questioned how much is the price. He asked about the price. Do you know what is asked about?
Yes.
Okay. So again, what does he do at the market?
He asked about the price.
Okay, very good, Ken. He asked about the price. Okay. Now this one.
What does he do at the market? He
Yes. He pick. Okay, this one pick. When you trying to get something, okay, that is pick. Okay, Tian.
okay.
Okay, so what did he do? He,
He picked some cakes.
okay, very good. He picked some cakes. Okay, now the last one is what does he do at the market?
Mm. He
He,
he he pays with the phone.
okay, he pays with the phone. Okay, very good, Tian. So let's go back again. Let's read. What does he do at the market? He see.
He sees some cakes.
Okay, and then what did he do again?
He tries a small piece of cake.
Okay, and so,
He asks about the price.
okay, and then,
He picks some cake.
okay, very good. And this one,
He pays with the phone.
very good. So now we are going to answer the activity. Okay, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Let's have the first one.
He tries. He tries a small piece of cake.
Okay, very good. Now this one.
He asked about the price.
Okay, very good. He asked about the price. Okay, now this one.
He picked some cakes.
Okay, very good. He picked some cakes. Number 4.
He pays with the phone.
Okay, very good. He pays with the phone. Okay, now let's have this one, Tian. What is this one?
A market.
Okay, very good. The market. And this one is?
A supermarket.
Yes. Okay, so what does he do at at the market?
Um, he buy many food.
Okay, you buy many foods. Okay, Tian, very good. So now let's have the next one. What does he do?
He asked about the price.
Okay, very good. He asked about the price. Okay, give teacher Kaya high five, Tian. Very good. Okay, now this one.
And he pays with the phone.
Okay, he pays with the phone. Okay, now this one.
He tries a piece of cake.
Okay, he tries some piece of cake. And the second picture is.
He picks some cakes.
Okay, he picks some cakes. Do you like cakes, Tian?
Yes,
Oh, what kind of cake do you like?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you like chocolate cake?
Every cake.
Again?
Every cakes.
Every cake?
I like every cakes.
Oh, you like all cake. Oh, you like all the cakes. Wow. Me too. I like cakes, especially the chocolate. Okay, now this one, Tian. Can you put where is the first, second, and third scenario? What does he do at the market? Okay, you will put where is number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and so on.
Phòng lớp không xong hết rồi. Còn cho nên không tự tôi còn mới về là lắp được hết cái hồ bơi đó chứ.
Okay, very good. And the last one is?
Ba ông đi mấy hôm đi
Okay, let's read.
hôm bữa ông kêu nửa tiếng là xong.
Number 1 is? Let's read this one,
He,
Tian.
he sees some cakes at the supermarket.
Okay, and your second one is?
He tries a small piece of cake.
Okay, are you sure about this one? Okay, and then the third one is?
He picks some cake.
And then?
He asks about He asked about the price.
And lastly is
Làm đi học gì hết trơn.
He pays with your phone.
okay. Are you sure about your answers?
Ý là nó có đi học đi làm gì không? Hay là
Are you
không
sure
được?
all about your answer? Are you not going to change them? Okay.
Hay gì? Ủa, tại không? Hai chồng như này vậy thôi. Đi làm tiền đâu?
Nó đi làm bếp ở thành thành Mỹ.
Nhưng tối giờ em có thêm chút gì đó. Có thêm chút. Đang nghĩ là ông mở rốn thời gian đi làm phụ.
Okay. So let's see if your answers are all correct. Okay. Ooh. Are you sure you're not going to change this one?
Qua giờ hết trăm rồi.
Okay, let's see the answer. Dun, dun. Oh no. Okay, so the first one is correct.
Mình đang đi.
So the second scenario is he tried a small piece of cake and then he asked about the price. He picks some cakes and he pays with the phone. Okay, Thian?
Sang ai cũng được mà nó không. Cái đó.
Okay? So
Okay.
this is the correct answers. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Không có không. Không biết rồi.
So now let's have this one again. What does he do at the supermarket?
Không có tiền nào ok. Sang ai cũng đẹp mà.
Oh,
Sao? Rất nhạo.
okay. What is the first picture?
À cái nhà đó.
He asked about the price.
Okay.
Lấy lại giờ.
This one.
He tries up
Này có chút nghĩ là đặt.
his small
He tries some small.
Không phải kỹ gì.
uh,
Con lớn.
small piece of cake.
Okay, very good. And the last one is
He pays with your phone.
okay. So how about you, Tian? How do you pay your food? Do you pay with cash or do you pay with phone?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is cash. This is cash. Okay, and sometimes you pay with your phone. How do you pay with your food? What do
I
you
don't
use?
know.
Again?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? You don't pay with cash? You don't buy your food with cash?
With cards.
With what? With?
Cards.
Oh, with cards. Wow. Okay, you swipe them? Oh, okay, so you pay with cards. Okay, Tian. Now this one, can you tell teacher Kai, what does she do at the market? Okay, look at the picture. Okay, so what does she do at the market? Let's read.
This is some cakes.
Oh, this one. This is bread.
Ở đây bước hả? Phải, sao vậy?
She sees some bread
Làm mệt rồi.
Okay.
at the supermarket.
Oh, no. This is
Ở Sài Gòn, Việt Nam thì
market.
Market.
Okay, again. What does she do at the supermarket?
sao cũng tốt. Cái tà đâu có hết chương này.
She sees some
Kêu bữa nào sang xuất người ra
Is
mời em về sang
Chứ ăn gì?
Hả?
Cái gì?
bữa nào sang xuất đất rồi chứ sao em không đúng rồi em sang
Mà ăn chị nhỏ.
Oh, okay. The answer is she sees some.
từ đấy
she see
Đó.
đóng tiền đất rồi đấy
some
Chở được bao nhiêu để lắp được cái hồ bơi này?
bread at the market?
Để chở.
Okay, very good. And then
She asked about the price.
oh, again, this one, the second one.
He
She.
buy a piece of
Em nhìn thấy
bread.
Okay, very good. And then
He asked about
làm phụ.
price.
okay, very good. And then
Như này ăn đúng không?
He
Mình chưa biết cái tờ. Như nào?
picked some bread.
yes, very good. She picks some bread and then
He purchased your phone.
okay, again,
She pays with your
Xong rồi qua
phone.
đây.
okay, with her phone. Okay, Thian, very good. Now, can you type your answer, Thian? Do you know how to type?
No.
No, you can't type this one like this.
No.
Oh, okay, no. It's okay. So now, let's have this one. Okay, so let's try this word, chips. Okay, you will do the same, Tian. For example, she sees some chips at the market and then she tries some chips. She asks about the price. She picks some chips and then she pays with her phone. Okay, Tian, are you ready? Are you ready, Tian?
Okay.
Okay, let's try the ice cream. Okay, she sees
Bốc mèo cái nào?
she sees some ice cream.
I don't understand.
Oh, okay. So let's go back. So now we are going to use, instead of bread, we are going to use ice cream. Okay? Ice cream. Okay, Tian, we are going to use ice cream.
Yes.
Okay. So now, how will you tell? How will you make a sentence using the
You
example
can
of ice cream? Okay.
some ice cream
You see some ice cream?
at the market.
Okay, very good. And then She
He tried a piece of the ice cream.
Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, and then
He um
Này sao? Bình sao?
asked about the price.
okay, very good. Very good, Yan. She asked about the price. Okay, and then
He, he picked some ice cream.
yes, very good. She picked some ice cream. And lastly,
He pays with your phone.
okay, very good. She pays with her phone. Okay, very good, Tian. Can you give Teacher Kai a very good 2 high fives? Okay, very good. So now let's move on with the next slide. Okay, so let's read this one more time.
He sees some cake at the market. He tries a small piece of cake. He asked about the price.
Okay, very good. She asked about the price. Okay, now this one. Can you tell me what is market again?
A place we can buy food.
Okay,
Bình sang thì vậy.
and then
He tries a small piece of cake.
okay, very good. So very good, Tian. You know what is market. Okay, now this one. Oh, so many, bro. Okay, teacher Kai will use pink. Now this one.
He picks some cakes.
Okay, and lastly.
He pays with the phone.
Okay, very good. So he picks with the phone. Okay, so now if you are going in the market, Yan, what would you like to buy? If you are going to the market, what would you buy? Are you going to buy some cake, ice cream? What do you like to buy?
Um,
Ah, teacher Kai is winning. I am color pink. Oh, Jan is losing. There's no blue. Teacher Kai is winning with the pink. Oh,
wait.
oh no, you are not winning. Teacher Kai is winning. Yay! Teacher Kai won. You don't have purple. Oh, okay. So yeah, so you won this one. Okay. So that would be all for today, Tian. Oh, no! Okay, you won again. So that would be all for today, Tian. Teacher Kai will say goodbye. Ah! Goodbye, Tian.
Bye.
Goodbye. Okay. Good night.